It goes without saying that everybody wishes to speak language beautifully. Now I'm speaking English, then you're listening to this language. What is the best way for you to speak beautiful English? One of the most important matters for you to think of should be how you are beautiful in your heart, inside. What you're speaking should be performing as a mirror of your individuality. Hence, what you have in your heart should be the core of what you are speaking, because what you're speaking from what you have here, especially in your heart. Have you noticed that intonation is different from pronunciation? You'd like to speak beautiful pronunciation. You wish to pronounce words beautifully. It is a natural feeling a lot of people have. Talking of intonation, this is quite difficult to have beautiful intonation. Intonation is different from pronunciation. Intonation is little by little organized by what kind of experience you have in your daily life. As I tell, concretely speaking, intonation is a matter of vicissitudes of life. What you have in your individuality as vicissitudes of life affects the quality of your intonation, especially experiencing pains is a must. It is fundamental for you to feel countless pains in your daily life. People learn by pains. Your intonation should be improved by experiencing pains. I hope you should be very positive to experience more and more pains for you to be beautifully and intellectually defined.